more power, better fuel economy. So why do this MSRP $14,115 MSRP $21,295 MSRP $14,150 Volvo XC40 revealed style and substance Genesis G70 arrow to the heart of the Germans updated crossover buying guides Nissan Leaf quick spin will it electrify buyers Ford Ranger Raptor what it might look like find and compare 2018 models 1 to follow us from our partners function B, E, V, N, T, S if FFBQ return and FFBQ function and call method. Applen, arguments and Q. Push arguments, if FFBQ and push and loaded 0 and version 2.0 and QTB create element ATSync 0 TSRCVSBG E0S parent node. Insert befret, S window, document, script, connect.facebook.neaton. Usfvins.jsfginet, 174,181,139,752,304 track, page view track custom, view at vehicle, year 2018, make Ford, model Fiesta, trim function SOGLEAMIGOOGLESOBJECTRIRFUNCTIO entered.qir.q push arguments L1 new create elemento ams.getlementsbytagnaMe0 AASY and C1 ASRCGM. Parent node. Insert before m window document script www.googleanalytics.com analytics.js Gaga create UA 714,791,331 AutoGason, page view function, TVRD create element, SDG DTELEMENT we TAGNAME T0 ASRC tpso.elk.com AdSense wrapper.jss parent node. Insert before ya, s document, script boot.getjssrc https www.zergnet.com zerg.js ID 21232 async true boot.getjssrc https www.zergnet.com zerg.js ID 47172 async true boot.getjssrc https cdn.taboola.com libtracatalogsloader.js async true callback functio window taboola window taboola.push article boot.getjssrc tpsac.zlhorizon.com sp.v1.min.js async true callback functio.src style through.init customrad A7C6FE01CC02E3D883CD42A3869A7 acboot.getjssrc https cdn.medivis.com Navigate script I liberant blog article.js async true